check 1, 2.
It's a long time coming. Might be best if you don't know. Done kicking these stones down at the corner store. I know 1,000 faces, I won't know no more. 'Cause I believe it, I ain't come around here no more. Well, it's a long time coming. Might be best if you don't know. If you want it, you can have it, that's fine by me. Said to my little brother, you can't come along with me. Said it bye, bid it bye, I'm going alone. Well, it's a long time coming. Might be best if you don't know. Come on now. If you want, you can have it, that's fine by me. I don't need no nothing if it's not for me. For my plate is full, it's overflowing. Well, it's a long time coming. Might be best if you don't know. Well, it's a long time coming. Might be best if you don't know. Well, it's a long time coming. Might be best if you don't know. Ready?
12-bar blues.
1, 2, 3, 4. You got me hiding. You got me run, hide, run any way you wanna let it roll. Yeah. You got me doing what you want me, baby, why you wanna let go? Going up doing what you want me? Baby, why you wanna let go? Going down, going up, down, down, up, any way you wanna let it roll. Yeah, yeah, yeah. You got me doing what you want me, baby, why you wanna let go? Got me peeping, you got me hiding, you got me peep, hide, peep, any way you wanna let it roll. Yeah, yeah, yeah. You got me doing what you want me, baby, why you wanna let go? What you want me, baby, why you wanna let go?
You got the strobe lights for that one right there. That's what you won right there on tonight's trivia. You won a free strobe light for the end of that 12 bar right there. Well done, man.
We're just gonna play some tunes. We kind of do a variety of songs. I mean, we got the roots and the blues, but you know, a lot of this stuff is, some people call us cowpunk. But we also have some sadder stuff, and we're gonna play one of those and get it out of the way. Long way from here. I guess you'll keep running scared, 'cause you're a long, long way from here. You shouldn't give in to the fear. There was a time I'd welcome you in the town, before the no, the time I'd pull you in. But you're a long, long way from there. Well, you're a long, long way from there. I guess it's your burden to bear, 'cause you're a long, long way from there. Burden I cannot share. There was a time you didn't walk alone. A time before the sin. A time before you were gone. But you're a long, long way from there. Found yourself somewhere. It's okay to be scared. Somehow, some way, somewhere. But you find someone who cares. There was a time before you saw a time of innocence, a time before the wrong. But you're a long, long way from there.
Go tell your mama.
It's a song called Go Tell Your Mama. You'll see the other side of our music right now. Just like that. 1, 2, 3, 4. Come on now, tell me something. Go ask my mama, go ask my Paul. You better believe what I'm telling y'all. You better be begging for forgiveness if you wanna come along. Be a fair warning for when they call. I ain't standing around waiting for y'all. You better be begging for forgiveness if you wanna come along. Pretty mama, put down them prayers. You better stop begging on your head and downstairs. You better be begging for forgiveness if you wanna come along. Come on now. Run tell your mama, run tell your pa. Tell your brother and now tell him all. You better be begging for forgiveness if you wanna come along. Grab your suitcase, grab the dog. What about my money? You can leave it all. You better be begging for forgiveness if you wanna come along. Best be quiet, best be good. You better stop begging like you knew you should. You better be begging for forgiveness if you wanna come. I said begging for forgiveness. If you wanna come, I said begging for forgiveness. If you wanna come along. Yeah, well, I guess this is brand new. This is a song called Wooden Nickels. Every pill drink I took ended up wooden nickels. I couldn't spend anyway. I danced naked with the dreadlock on the ring. We all have our secrets. I guess better this way. Oh, but better this way. Oh, brilliant instability taking over me. Probably write another song, but I'll probably just lay down. Most likely die. For my mother does. I was bird and bone. This time around, oh, this time around, oh, I can't see this time around. Just put me down. I can't see this time around. How can this be? I'll just keep walking if you don't want me around. I'll just keep walking if you don't want me around. I'll just keep walking if you don't want me around. If you don't want me around. I ain't no sideshow, ain't no bird in a cage, ain't no motherfucker. I just walk that way. We live in a 10-cent world. We're all sick some way. We play silly games. It's most of our days. Ooh, most of our days. Ooh, pick up that penny. Ain't no sense in turning around. Pick up that penny. Ain't no luck facing down. Ain't worth a red cent. Ain't no luck facing down. Your man a quarter. The man used to carry power. The man seen things. At least his time around. Ooh, his time around. Ooh, I can't see this time around. Just put me down. I can't see this time around. Just put me down. I'll keep on walking if you don't want me around. I'll just keep walking if you don't want me around. I'll just keep walking if you don't want me around. 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 If you don't want me around.
Let's keep it going.
Was it over?
Yeah.
1, 2, 3, 4. Oh, matey, why do you spend your time, my garden? You never pick no flowers, no. Say let them grow for them busy bees. Oh, matey, why do you spend so much time, my garden? Where did you come from? I don't know. I keep planning so you come around like them dizzy bees. Oh, matey, please kindly sit right down, my garden. I have to share some things regarding treating me like a dizzy bee. Ain't about honey, ain't about time, ain't about my feelings, I'll be fine. Ain't about zero them songs, ain't about the stories that unfold. Ain't about trust, ain't about pride, ain't about my reasons, they're just fine. Ain't about me, ain't about you, ain't about what we're gonna do. Oh, matey, why do you spend your time, my garden? Where did you come from? I don't know. around like them dizzy bees.
Nice work. Nice work indeed. Take us for another one. What do you say?
All right, man. Well, I think we've got one more for you guys.
Ooh, I don't know. I'm going to talk to the producer. We might squeeze a couple more out of you.
All righty then.
Let's do, it's not blues. Let's do, it is kind of bluesy. No, it's
Let's
okay.
do Justin Towns.
Right. Oh. Halfway to Jackson.
Yeah.
All right.
This is a little Justin Towns Earl. They just did a thing for him. Ready?
Yep.
Go ahead. I got this woman, she don't treat me right. She say I'm drinking to the morning light. I say bye bye, baby, wherever you may be. Say you got them other man, don't know what you need with me. So now we down the station and I got on that train. Told the conductor better get a moving, man. I say bye bye, baby, wherever you may be. See you got them other men, don't know what you need with me. So now here I go down these railroad tracks. They're heading down to Memphis, ain't no coming back. I say bye bye, baby, wherever you may be. See you got them other men, don't know what you need with me. So now here with you, honey, finally relax. Well, it sure feels good to not have you upon my back. I say bye bye, baby, wherever you may be. See you got them other men, don't know what you need with me. I say bye bye, wherever you are. Said I'm heading down to Jackson, mama, ain't missing you so far.
That's the number one right there. You've got one more song for us, is that right?
Yeah, sure.
Yeah, sure. 30 more songs if you know.
We always play this song when we're here, because I started writing it here. So, a song called Your House.
Let's go.
Rid of me, your paper world is hanging from my paper string. I didn't tell you, so you can't blame me. So strike that match, see what you see. Sail away, be gone. Sail away, be gone. Rid of me, sail away. Now, first thing you do is you want some shoes. Don't worry about the man, cause he takes them too. Now tell your people how you feel inside. Don't sugarcoat it, mama, cause it tastes just fine. Sail away, be gone. Rid of me, your paper world is burning and it can't be free. I didn't tell you, so you can't blame me. So strike that match, see what you see. Sail away, be gone. Sail away, be gone. Rid of me, sail away. Another thing before you go and forget about me, the things I know. It matters less the less you know. So tie that rope and let your boots sway low. Sail away, be gone. Rid of me, your paper world is hanging from my paper string. Now you complain about everything, so strike that match, see what you see. Sail away, be gone. Rid of me, your paper world is burning and your chips ain't free. I didn't tell you, so you can't blame me. So strike that match, see what you see. Sail away, be gone. Sail away, be gone. Rid of me, sail away.
They're freaking out, man.
Thanks for having us up, Goldie.
That should do it. Then thanks for coming up, Nick. Thanks for coming up, Eric. And to our two card players, I would like to ask right now, who ended up winning? Yeah, that's $5 to me. I had $5 on Mike. That was me. All right. Yeah, Mike, way to go, bro. All right. Anyway, ladies and gents, thanks for being here tonight. My name's Goldie, live at the BeeHive. You have the HuCKLE in the house tonight, and that's going to do it. We are out.